Newer travel health requirements set to get the axe for international travel, that is. The Deputy Prime Minister giving reporters a preview today as he met with tourism and aviation industry stakeholders. Here's Antoine Smith.
And every week, if we deem it appropriate, we'll make further adjustments.
Minister of Tourism, Investments and Aviation, the Honorable Chester Cooper, foreshadowing a series of changes for visitors traveling to the Bahamas. That 5-day post-travel test, soon to be a thing of the past as tourism officials move towards offering guests a more seamless experience.
What we are going to offer to our guests is a free rapid test for their outgoing travel. So as you now know, persons require a rapid test to enter the U.S., for example, rather than having the post-travel 5-day test. We will offer that as a part of the travel health visa program.
The proposed policy comes more than a week after amendments to emergency health protocols and some months after intense lobbying from local hoteliers. The most vocal among them, Bahama President Graham Davis, who last week pushed for the removal of the mask mandate. It's just one of the many of such recommendation the tourism minister says he's noted.
We want to ensure that we get it right as best as possible. And therefore, we're going to be very deliberate in our approach. Suffice to say, many of the people who say eliminate the requirement to wear a mask also wants us to have low level of CDC rating. And sometimes you can't have both.
Still, officials look towards a rather robust spring break season, their eyes set on reviewing protocols to keep up with the increasing number of cruise passengers. And despite fears further relaxation could trigger an upward spike in cases, Cooper says the data shows the country is on the right path.
If you look at the actual numbers of new cases and hospitalizations around the world, you see that the numbers are very low. We have to strike a balance consistently between being competitive, between facilitating visitors and guests to our shores, as well as protecting the health and safety of the Bahamian people.
Based on tourism stats, some 94,000 visitor health visa applications have been processed since the start of 2022. Antoine Smith, ZNS Network News.